Hey there, welcome to the 30th episode of the Daily Shed. And today I'm going to be showing a cool little riff, cool little exercise for practicing your hammer-ons and pull-offs, which I think are really essential to really being able to play melodies well, to really have control. So it's sort of a classical sounding riff, or it may sound like Eruption by Van Halen. But it's cool, it's all hammer-ons and pull-offs. And let's start on the high E string, just on the 5th fret, and I want you to hammer that on and try to get a nice firm tone out of it. And I find that if I, on the back of my neck, if I have, let's see how I can show this to you, my thumb towards the top of the neck, okay, as opposed to the middle, have it very close to the top of the neck, that gives me more strength. So first, try to get a good tone from that. A really nice, solid, bright tone out of that, okay? Once you get that, then hammer on the 8th fret with your pinky. Okay? Try to get a nice firm tone out of that too. Okay, when you have that, then pull off with your pinky. Leave your index finger down, pull off, and then pull off your index finger. So all together, the whole thing is, okay? Just try to get that really strong and even, and best if you do it with a metronome and slowly increase your speed. And after a little bit, you'll be able to get a nice bit of speed and have it be just really regular. Cool thing about this exercise, I like to make it just a bit more melodically interesting, slide it down a fret. So maybe do 4 times, then 4 times like this, and back. Get your hand moving around a bit and used to sliding around while you're doing these. You could even slide it up to the 7th fret. Okay? Then go through other strings, and the other strings are a bit more difficult. It's a bit harder to pull off cleanly and get a real clean sound out of it because you have the other strings around you to worry about. So on the B string, try not to let the E string ring out, which is hard because it's right next to you, but try just to play that very cleanly. Again, your priority has to be a nice, solid, clear note, and all the way down. Keep going down the strings, all the way down to the low E string, which is also a little easier because you don't have the 2 strings beside you to worry about. Yeah, and just keep practicing that till it gets really fluid and really strong. And I find it sort of a bit more musically interesting than some other exercises. And it's purely hammer-ons and pull-offs, so you're getting sort of a full exercise out of the whole thing. And again, start with just getting a nice firm tone with your index finger on the 5th fret. Alright, hope this is useful to you. Let me know any comments or questions as always, and thank you for watching.